Hello friends, how are you? How are you all? I hope everybody is well and I am also good. And I am Amir Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Monday, 17 May 2021. This Monday afternoon, now afternoon time. This Monday afternoon, I will get in village nature area. You can see behind my back beautiful village nature area, green nature area, middle of small soil road. This green nature area, beautiful place. This afternoon I walk at this place and I see here is some polluted garbage all around beautiful nature. I see some polluted garbage here, so now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. So friends, let's go cleaning now start. তো বন্ধুরা আজ সোমবার বিকেলে গ্রামের প্রকৃতিতে এসেছি, সবুজ প্রকৃতিতে। এখানে আমি কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি, এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে ফেলে দেব। তো চলুন পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ডস, নাও আই ওয়াক এট দেয়ার and I see here is a polluted garbage. I see here is a one plastic. This plastic very bad for our nature, our green nature, our environment. So I collected this plastic. Now I walk it there and collected another garbage. Let's go. Beautiful green nature here. Another polluted garbage here. Another garbage. Here is a many beautiful green grass. This polluted garbage. Beautiful environment in afternoon time. All in all, beautiful village green nature area, village crop field area. I walked there and collected polluted garbage. I enjoyed this place very much, green nature area. Here is another plastic. This plastic. I collected this plastic. Another plastic. This plastic. এখানে বৃষ্টি হয়েছে, বৃষ্টির পরে পানি জমে গিয়েছে। I collected another plastic here. দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আমি আরেকটি প্লাস্টিক সংগ্রহ করেছি এখান থেকে। This plastic very bad for our nature, our environment. So I always collected plastic, polluted garbage from nature area. All in all, beautiful green nature area, beautiful place. I enjoyed this place very much. I see here is another plastic. This plastic very bad, dirty. So I collected this plastic. I see here is another plastic. Friends, here is a many bird sound. You can here is many beautiful bird sound. This is a polluted garbage. I see here is a one cigarette pack. This dirty cigarette pack. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম এবং নিয়ে যাব। Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected many polluted garbage, plastic from here. I I collected garbage from here nature area. This garbage now threw in the dustbin. Let's go. এগুলো আমি এখন ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। Friends, this is a village used dustbin. This garbage threw in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friends, and this was my nature cleaning mission Monday afternoon.